release.
I think we got it.
Absorb, release.
And 5, 6.
Drop it out. Go to twist. Go back.
All right, we did a little point sequence out.
Hop, hop, hop. Yeah.
Boom. Angle number 1. Angle number 2. Check out the leader's footwork.
Open, triple, shoot, take it out. Stretch, break, or through. Boom, through. Boom, and through. Go, drop it out. Rotate, rotate, around. Boom, dig it up, ho. From here again, you guys can play with like boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, da.
Don't
Lots of things. I didn't much so mind it. Where's Jaya? She's not here. I didn't much so mind that. But I'll say, yeah, guys, with stuff like this, you know, you can tap your foot, you can stomp off. There's a lot of options you can do just within that little playful 8-count pattern. And own those points if you're going to do. Yep.
You guys are great.
All right.